As autumn arrives, gardens transform into a blaze of gold and crimson. But with this beauty comes a familiar dilemma. What should you do with the blanket of fallen leaves covering your lawn and beds? Some gardeners rake and bag every leaf, aiming for a tidy, winter-ready garden. Others see leaves as garden gold, nature's way of feeding the soil. The tidy camp fears suffocated grass and messy borders, while the recyclers embrace the natural cycle of decay and renewal. But is it really as simple as rake or don't rake? The truth is, both approaches have merit. The real skill is learning to manage this autumn bounty to benefit your garden. Let's explore how to turn this seasonal chore into an opportunity for a healthier, more resilient garden. Fallen leaves are one of the best free resources for gardeners. They're rich in carbon, balancing the nitrogen-heavy greens in your compost. Autumn leaves help your compost break down into rich, crumbly soil over winter. Spread as mulch, leaves insulate soil, protect roots, and shelter beneficial insects. Leaf mold, made by piling up damp leaves, becomes a magical soil conditioner after a year or two. It improves soil structure, helping clay drain and sand retain moisture. Not all leaves are equal. Ash, birch, cherry, and maple break down quickly and boost your soil fast. Shredded leaves work even better, releasing their goodness in a single season. Used wisely, leaves can transform your garden's health. But leaves aren't always a blessing. Left in thick, wet mats, they suffocate lawns and smother low plants, leaving bare patches by spring. Some leaves harbor diseases like black spot or scab, which can reinfect plants if left on the ground. Diseased leaves should be removed and disposed of, not composted. Oak leaves break down slowly and can acidify soil. Black walnut leaves contain juglone, which harms many plants. Even good leaves can cause problems if piled against stems or trunks, trapping moisture and inviting rot or pests. Mulch should never touch woody stems. Careless use can turn a helpful resource into a hazard. Knowing which leaves to use and how makes all the difference. So how do you get the benefits without the drawbacks? Shred leaves before using them. Run a mower over them to speed up decomposition and prevent matting. Use shredded leaves as mulch, keeping them away from plant stems and tree trunks. In compost, mix leaves with nitrogen-rich materials like grass clippings or kitchen scraps for best results. For leaf mold, pile leaves in a wire bin or bag, moisten, and let time do the work. After a year you'll have mulch. After 2, a superb soil conditioner. The autumn leaf debate isn't about choosing sides. It's about using leaves wisely. With a little effort, you can turn autumn's mess into next year's garden success. So will you rake and bag, or shred and spread? The choice and the reward is yours.